Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna be inspecting on the Toyota Corolla. It have codes for misfiring in coil number 3 and number 4. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the cover. So this is the coil number 4 and coil number 3. So we're gonna need 10 millimeters, and we're gonna try to see what's the problem. We proceed to remove them. Just remove the screw. We're gonna be performing 2 different tests. We're gonna turn on the car, and we're gonna be removing first each plug and see the difference in the reaction of the motor. See how shaky is the car too. So we have the check light engine, and we have the track off. Then when I put it in reverse, that's on reverse. You can see the hesitation in the motor. Put it, that's on reverse. Put it on dry. Put it back into parking, and we're gonna be checking out the coils. So we're gonna start disconnecting. So the motor is still the same. So there's something wrong with the coil or with the spark plug. So we put it back, and we're gonna try to hear a spark. There's no spark. So now we proceed with coil number 3. We're gonna check if the spark on this one. So there's no spark. So we know that the coils are bad. So let's try this one and check the spark on number 2. You can see the change of the movement of the motor. So we know this one is good. So now we proceed to replace the bad ones with the new ones. So we got 2 brand new ones here. So let's turn off the car and replace them. I'm gonna put this back here. So we're gonna get the new ones. I install the new ones here. Let's push all the way. Now we're gonna start the car and verify. Smooth. So we put it on reverse. Looks good. We put it in dry. Idle looks good. Car's no shaking. Parking, and we're gonna check on the motor. Running good. Now we proceed to put the screws. We know the problem with these two. So they're not sending the correct voltage to the spark plug. Alrighty. Proceed to put back the cover. Everything looks good. So that was all. You can now run the car to remove the check engine, or I have my scanner. Connect my scanner, and I'm gonna be deleting it. We're clearing now the engine light. Now we test drive it and see that there is no problems with it. So I tested the car for 26 miles. There was no rough idling, car was running smooth. And you saw that the problem was the coils, that they were not sending the proper current to the spark plugs. And that was creating the vibrations, and it was not burning properly the fuel that was sending to the spark plugs.